Hey guys, so here's going to be a unboxing from Nick's Construction's Diecast. Um, these models were all part of his Black Friday sale. Really good deals. Again, done a lot of business with him before, so just jump right into it. One of them I have a version of already, but the deal that it was just too good to pass up. Here's a couple. Here's his actual company. You can see the Instagram and Facebook in the bottom, and then the website also. So if you guys want to check that out for anything, go do that. A lot of great models for really good prices, and a lot of times you can find the harder to find ones that you're might be looking for. So go check him out if you want. Anyway, jumping in here, you see there's a Diecast Masters one. I'm not going to open this one. This is actually just a gift. But this is the Cat 301 mini excavator, which is in this box. So again, I'm not opening that because that is a gift for someone. But we will set it to the side here. Next, we have the Nichols model forks for the 950, 966, and 972 Tonkin loaders. Which here they are, and they're actually already assembled. They're non-painted though, but as you can see, both the tines are movable. Put them all the way in or all the way out. Really nice. I do have one set already, but they are very nice, and I've kind of wanted another one for a while since I do have several of the Tonkin loaders. So that's one of the boxes there, or models. Next up, if I can get this packing out, we have a WA600-8. As you see, there's no box. He said he couldn't find the box for it, which is not a big deal, so get this bad boy out. Actually a lot bigger loader than I thought it was going to be. Get all the packing peanuts out. And that's another nice thing with Nick. He takes a lot of time in packing everything, as you can see. Make sure the handrails don't break. So here's this. Really nice, actually. Really looks nice. Nicer than I was expecting it to be. The bucket. So there's that. And last but certainly not least is a Tonkin Cat 972K. Like I mentioned, I do have one of these already. However, the one I have is the white edition one. And again, there's a really good deal on this one. I just couldn't pass it up. I think it was like $44 or $45 after shipping. Here you see the loader. Really nice looking loader. And the bucket right here. There's no pin for it, which is not that big of a deal, or the pin fell out. Just have to find that, but get this out of the way and I'll show you guys them again. So here's today's unboxing, plus the 301, which again I'm not opening because it is a gift. Again, like I said, there's this business card. If you guys want to go check them out, do so. Facebook and Instagram is at NC Diecast, and then website is www.ncdiecast.com. Again, go check them out. Really good deals. I got all this with his Black Friday sale, so I think I totally saved, I think, right around 50 bucks, which is really nice. But anyway, that'll pretty much do it for this unboxing, guys. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.